How to create custom stickers in WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make your own personalized stickers right inside the app. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, open any chat to access the sticker creator. From there, tap on the emoji icon at the bottom left of the chat to open the emoji and sticker panel. Let me show you. At this point, tap on the Stickers tab at the top of the panel. In the next step, tap on the plus icon or Create Sticker button to open the sticker creator. From there, you'll be taken to your gallery. Select the photo you want to turn into a sticker. At this stage, WhatsApp will automatically detect and cut out the subject of the photo. Let me show you. You can adjust the cutout by dragging the edges to fine-tune the selection. Following this, once you're happy with the cutout, tap on Add Sticker to save it to your sticker collection. Once done, your custom sticker will now appear in your sticker panel and is ready to send in any chat. From here, tap on your new sticker to send it directly in the current chat. Here's an important note. Custom stickers you create are only available on your device and cannot be shared as a sticker pack directly. To share them with someone, simply send the sticker in a chat and they can save it to their own collection from there. And that's it. If this guide helped you create custom stickers in WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.